weren't going to film this morning because we're just making breakfast burritos. But this is shaping up really nice, and I thought you might want to see it. So what do we got here, baby?
So I started with a few slices of bacon chopped up, half a pound of sausage crumbled and fried. I have potatoes chopped small-ish, and a few of the leftover fajita veggies. It smells delicious.
Here, let's see if you...
I know. I wish smell-o-vision was a thing. I have scrambled eggs ready to go. There's tortillas, some leftover cilantro ranch, and some salsa.
What seasonings do you use on the potatoes?
Salt and pepper and some steak seasoning.
Nice.
And then I didn't clean off the Blackstone after the sausage and bacon, so there's a little flavoring left there.
So you get some fat rendering
and those are good. Yep, those are nice and soft. The fajita veggies are cooked. This piece is a little bit big. I'm gonna use the... Alright.
Just gotta do the eggs.
Throw some eggs on right here.
So if you build a dam with your potatoes and your Blackstone's not fully level, you won't lose as much egg going to the corner where the grease collects.
This is 6 scrambled eggs, some salt and pepper, and a little bit of milk. And you can see it's not quite level, and I figured that out when I was cooking the bacon. So I'm pouring
You're losing down the grease trap. Go get his flip-flops. Or you can make the world's biggest omelet.
Good. It would be a scramble in this case, because I think holding it over is going to be very effective at this point. OMG.
Be quiet.
Give that a minute.
I thought that was a yolk.
I thought so too at first. How did I miss that one? Nope, that's not an option. Sorry.
Alright, well this is almost done. And we'll...
I'm going to dump the bacon and sausage back in. Mix it all together. Cover the whole concoction with cheese.
You're about to lose a bunch of that.
And put it in the tortilla.
For the baby and me.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
I think we only have like 1 or 2 recipes that are somewhat difficult this week. And not even difficult, it's more time consuming. Like tonight we're gonna make pork schnitzel. Tomorrow we're gonna make chimichurri tri-tip, which isn't difficult.
No. Are you smoking the tri-tip?
Yeah.
Okay, so that'll take a little bit of time. There you have it.
Now we just gotta put some cheese in there.
Oh man, I didn't bring out the cheese.
Didn't bring out the cheese. For shame. For shame. Alright, so you just sprinkle some cheese on there, let it melt, mix it back in, and then we're gonna put it in a wrap. And we'll see you in a second. So we like lots of cheese. So she's adding lots of cheese. You can also put mushrooms in this. You don't have to have the meat, or you could use some kind of meat substitute. It's your world. It's a blank canvas.
Do what you like.
Do what you want. This has got, like she said, fried potatoes, bacon, sausage, peppers, cheese, seasonings. Look at that melty goodness.
I'm the king of the hamburger.
Can you please stop yelling?
It's still my hamburger.
What is it?
A tortilla. Sorry, a tortilla.
I like to,
Filling.
if we were at home we would warm the tortillas up.
They've been sitting in the sun. They're not cold.
No, but the heat.
Yeah, it does make them more flexible. Oops. Cheesy, yummy filling. Mm-hmm.
There you have it, folks. Super easy breakfast.
Mm.
You could even wrap it in foil and take it on the go if you wanted.
Mm-hmm.
We're not going to do that because my kids are heathens and my truck will be full of eggs. All right, guys. Happy eating.
Mm-hmm.